By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to give every single dollar you earn a specific job so that nothing slips through the cracks, your savings grow automatically, and you finally feel completely in control of your money. You will have a step-by-step plan you can start today, not next month, not when things calm down, but tonight, before you go to bed. Here is a number that stopped me cold. The average American has no idea where 40% of their monthly spending actually goes. 40%. That means if you earn $5,000 a month, you are potentially losing track of $2,000 every single month. Over a decade, that is $240,000 that just vanished into the void of forgotten subscriptions, impulse purchases, and financial fog. But what if I told you there is a budgeting method so powerful that people who use it consistently report saving an extra $600 per month on average without earning a single dollar more? But before we get to the psychological trick that makes this method nearly impossible to fail, one that most financial advisors never share because it is almost too simple, let me walk you through exactly how this works and why traditional budgeting has been setting you up for failure your entire life. In this video, you are going to learn 3 things that will fundamentally change your relationship with money. First, I am going to show you the exact framework that forces your brain to treat every dollar as precious. Second, you will discover the category most people completely forget that silently drains thousands from their accounts every year. Third, I am going to give you the specific weekly rhythm that turns this from a chore into a 5-minute habit you actually look forward to. Quick, if you have ever gotten to the end of the month and wondered where all your money went even though you swore you would be more careful this time, hit the like button right now. It tells the algorithm this content is valuable and helps us reach more people who need to hear this. Let me paint a picture you probably know too well. You sit down with good intentions. You pull up a spreadsheet or download some app everyone recommended. You create categories. You estimate what you think you spend, and you feel productive. For about 3 days, then life happens. An unexpected expense pops up. You forget to log a purchase. The numbers stop matching reality, and within 2 weeks, that budget sits abandoned, like a gym membership in February. The frustration is real. According to a recent survey, 65% of Americans have no idea how much they spent last month. Not a rough idea, no idea at all. This is not a personal failing, this is a system failure. Traditional budgeting asks you to predict the future and then punishes you when reality does not match your fantasy. You end up feeling guilty, defeated, and convinced that you are just bad with money. Meanwhile, credit card debt in America just crossed $1.14 trillion. The average household carries over $8,000 in high-interest debt, paying roughly $1,400 per year just in interest. But here is what nobody tells you. The problem was never your willpower. The problem was never your income. The problem was that traditional budgeting uses backward logic that fights against how your brain actually works. Zero-based budgeting flips everything on its head. Instead of tracking where your money went after the fact like some financial archaeologist, you assign every dollar a purpose before you spend it. Here is the core principle. Income minus expenses must equal exactly 0. Not because you spend everything recklessly, but because every dollar has a designated job, including the dollars whose job is to sit in savings or pay down debt. Think of your money like employees. Right now, most of your dollars are wandering around the office with no clear responsibilities, getting into trouble, disappearing on coffee runs